Hello, in this tutorial, I'll be walking you through how you can add questions and answers to train your AI in your knowledge repository. So first of all, you log into your account, select your project, you navigate to the agent section, you click on Q&A under training, you click on add first question, and then it asks you the questions you want to type. To add your answer, you can also enhance your answer using AI feature. So you just click on this pen to do that. So now the AI has already enhanced it. And if you want to undo it, click on this. When you're done, you click on submit question. So if anyone asks questions or makes a query regarding your payment method, your AI assistant can use this information to answer the question. And you can continue adding as much questions as you want. All you have to do is click on this button again and start the process all over again. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.